And a mini celebration for reaching 100 subscribers. And I'll take you guys along with me. Good morning, my loves, and welcome back to another video. I hope you are all well and having an amazing week. Today is a Saturday and I am feeling productive. I'm feeling in the zone. I have a few things I need to do today. I have to study. That's probably the main thing. I wanted to clean my room. I also wanted to go to the gym, but last night I was walking around my bed and I hit my knee really hard on the corner of my bed, and it's hurting me now to just walk up our stairs, let alone going to the gym and doing the Stairmaster like I usually do. So I don't think I'm gonna go to the gym today, and that's fine. Worst case, I'll just do some steps around the house. But I thought we could have a really cozy, productive Saturday together, and this is also your sign if you need to lock in for exam season or work or whatever it is. This is your sign to also be productive, and I hope that this video gives you some motivation to do that. So that being said, let's get straight into the video. The first thing that I need to do is grate some cauliflower because we're going to have gobi pronte. For anyone who doesn't know what that is, gobi pronte is like stuffed roti, but paronta is like an oilier version of a roti. That was an awful description. You know what, I'll just put a picture of it somewhere here because that was absolutely horrific. If my mum heard me describe gobi pronta like that, she'd be so angry. But yeah, so for that I'm going to grate the cauliflower. Do that now, and then I think after I do that I'm just going to go straight into studying. Because I'm feeling a little bit hungry right now, I will probably just try and fill myself with some water. I won't want to have cereal because my mum's going to make the food, and obviously I don't want to be full for that. So yeah, I'm just going to try and like fill myself until then. Okay, I have done my part, so I have grated the cauliflower. Let me show you. There she is. Now my mum will work her magic, add the masala and stuff, and then she's gonna make the tastiest gobi pronte that I've ever had in my life. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Like, that was a whole workout. Forget the gym, like I've done my workout now for the day. It's even hurting my arms to put the phone up. But now I am going to study a little bit. I usually can't study a lot while I'm hungry, so I might just like do some reading, like passive reading or watching some videos, just something that I can use to kill the time whilst my mum makes the breakfast. Also, we reached 100 subscribers this morning. I woke up, I refreshed my page and I had 100 lovely subscribers, and it really means a lot to me because when I started the channel I genuinely didn't think that I would get this much love from you guys so quickly, and like to even think that 100 of you are watching my videos is just absolutely crazy. Just know that I love and I appreciate every one of you so much, and even the fact that you watch my videos, even if you haven't chosen to subscribe, but the fact that you even watch them is just, it's really nice, and it's quite comforting to me to know that there are people out there that actually enjoy my content. So thank you so much. Yeah, we'll have to find a way to celebrate this weekend. I might just like get a cake or something. I literally buy myself a cake every weekend because I always have something to try and celebrate, but this one is like huge, like we need to do it. I did have waffles yesterday with my brother, but I was only on like 96 subscribers then, so that wasn't really a celebration for 100. So we will definitely try and do something today or tomorrow. If I don't include it in this vlog, I'll insert a clip of me doing a celebration. But yeah, thank you so much to all of you guys, and now we're just on to the next milestone, which is, I don't know, 1,000 subscribers. I just feel crazy. Okay guys, it's a bit later now. I am gonna go outside and do some shopping, and I'll take you guys along with me. I think I say this in every vlog, but the temperature in London has dropped so much. Like, it's absolutely freezing outside. So the fit for our going out is this kind of puffery jacket, and then I've also got some jeans and just the same top that I was wearing before, because who can be asked to change the top? But I'm just gonna get my bag quickly and then we can go. Ignore my hair, like it goes crazy when it's raining outside, but I just got the cake. Yay, there she is. Now we can eat it together. I'm so excited. Alright guys, I'm back now and I am about to eat my cake. So I got this cake from Tesco's, and I got it because I reached 100 subscribers on YouTube. But yeah, so I have also got my tea, and yeah, this is a little cheers and a mini celebration for reaching 100 subscribers. You can have some tea. That is a good cake. But anyways, I'm gonna eat this now and then we can continue studying. When I was outside doing the shopping, my best friend invited me to go to her house today evening, and we're planning to watch a movie together. So that is my motivation that I need to just get through the final 2 topics that I set myself today, because it's dark outside now and I'm getting really sleepy and hungry and I just want to sit and do nothing. So yeah, I'm going to use that as my motivation just to finish these last 2 topics, and then I will probably just relax for the rest of the day. Okay guys, I had to move upstairs to finish off my studying because my mum is cooking dinner now and I do not want to smell like chicken when I go to my friend's house. So I'm gonna continue studying now. There's not a lot left, so I'm just like really powering through at this stage. And then I will probably call it a day for this vlog, but thank you so much for watching and make sure you like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of me. And please do comment other videos that you guys would like to see from me as well. Thank you, love you, bye.